Excuse me, you interrupted my drink.
Oh yeah, natural.
That was so staged. Hey guys, welcome back. And if you're new, thanks for joining. We're here at Circa Las Vegas and we're about to give you a room review. So stick around. But first, I'm Justin.
And I'm Scott.
And guess what?
We livin' for love.
We are here in the amazing brand new Circa downtown Las Vegas. I'm about to give you a room tour. So when you enter in, look at this lighting right here. Probably blinding for you right now, but you'll see something. Okay, where should we start?
I guess we could start with the decor.
Oh, who'd have thought?
Right?
We never start with decor.
Exactly.
I mean,
Never,
ever.
Switching it up.
What about the decor?
So it's kind of this cool, like, vintage kind of thing going on. It feels like it's trying to be classic Vegas. Mm-hmm. And that's awesome. I love it. Like,
yeah,
they kind of play up the whole like divas thing from like the 1940s, 50s Vegas Vicky.
Yes.
Which is restored and actually downstairs, the original sign.
Yes, it is.
But they have pictures of her here in the room too.
Yes.
And like showgirls themes. It's cool.
Yeah. Definitely that 1950s theme is going on up in here, but with a touch of modern. So we're gonna take you into the bathroom this way.
The bathroom is super nice. It's way bright, way brighter than like the main room. There's like lighting elements behind the framing the mirrors.
I'll get it one day. There we go.
It is. Hi, right there.
Look at that. So the lighting in here is amazing.
There's a double vanity,
Yes.
like a nice stonework shower with a bench.
Yeah, that stonework is amazing. Look at this shower. They really went all out with that marble or faux marble. Actually,
Faux marble, yeah.
You know what? I don't even know what my stones. I don't know my rocks. Are they considered stones or rocks? I don't know if it's stone or what did I call it? Rock?
Yeah, stone or I forget.
I think I called it marble, but
comment below if you are a geologist. Who knows?
Geologists.
They'll know. But the bathroom was kind of lacking for you, right?
Yes, because it doesn't have a water closet or a water room. The toilet is exposed to the common area. Toilet is around here. And I thought that kind of like was the direction that
most hotels have gone.
Yeah, they're going in that direction, but obviously here they don't.
Yeah, it's weird for a brand new hotel to not have that.
And you have, of course, your work area, your desk. Don't mind our gimbal. Yes, we film our own material. Obviously, you're watching something we filming right now. Anyway.
Oh.
Yeah, if they didn't know.
So one cool thing about this room, so we did get a little bit of an upgraded room, so it's a bit more roomy. And there is lots of seating in here. I mean, it's not huge, it's not like a suite size room, but lots of seating. There's like a cool bench underneath the TV where you can also stow your shoes.
Yes, and if you have many shoes, I don't know how many people will unpack how many shoes, but
They got room for him.
There's a place for him if you need it. Oh. Look at the artwork. But these aren't art pieces. These right here, those are handles. Handles for a
Murphy bed, which is really cool. It's right behind the sofa over here. And oh my God, that's cool. I've never seen that before. Most of the time, if you have to add a bed, it's like a rollaway or whatever.
Yeah.
But this one just comes with it built in.
Yeah. So in this particular room, you have, if you have guests, you know, you go down to the Fremont experience and you need people to stay over, there's a bed right there.
A pull-out Murphy bed.
Yeah. Most likely they'll be sleeping in your own bed, but whatever. You just have to move the couch out the way. I don't know where you're going to put the couch. That's a good question.
That's the question.
That's the question. Where do you put the
one.
couch? I don't know. You put it somewhere.
Lord of mercy. But gotta say about that seating, after you move the couch, of course, a lot of it is not ergonomic. Like,
do not sit on this if you have a bad back. This thing is, that's some rough in it right there, okay?
Another thing though, also don't sit on that couch if you have a bad back. I did, and my back's having an episode.
Yeah.
No, thank you.
No.
Most of the bench seating, the couch, it's just not good for your back.
It's definitely not meant to sit for long periods of time. Yeah. They're gonna be like, what is up with these bad backs? Jeez. Anyway, now for the amazing parts, right? Wait, before we get to the amazing part, which you're probably guessing is the view.
Finally, what about where the magic happens?
The magic. Are you talking about
The Gathering? Yes, Magic the Gathering.
He's talking about the sink.
I went for a nerd reference. You went for a random reference.
Oh.
Magic the Gathering. It's a nerdy card game.
Let's talk about the bed. The bed, the actual bed, is firm. It is very firm, really nice mattress, not plush.
Yeah.
But definitely comfortable. It's supportive. Mm-hmm. How'd you feel?
Yeah, it was great. I mean, it was not sleeping on a cloud or pillow top or whatever, but it was good.
Yeah. It's definitely, it does the job. Mm-hmm. So expect, comfort.
Yeah. This is something I kind of noticed too, though. They actually designed it to match. So the shaping of the framework, the headboard, is the same as the framing for the Murphy bed, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, it really is.
You want to give him a ding?
So, are you ready for it?
After the little seating area.
Oh, we can't.
That's
forget
important.
This.
That's
This
important,
is very
guys.
Impertinent.
Impertinent.
All right, here we go. Oh, one more.
Don't worry, it's coming.
One more again.
One more again.
Look at that stadium swim right there. And if you pan up, Mr. Cameraman, you got the strip.
Past that building. But, and the front desk, they actually warned us, it is kind of loud. Mm-hmm. So that is a reality that, they're turning up down at that pool all hours. So
yes.
You can hear the bass kind of reverberating against the window.
Yes, you can. Justin's pressing thoughts. Justin's pressing thoughts. Steamy thoughts.
Oh.
You saw how clever that was?
That was so good.
I know. So, let me tell you, this hotel room doesn't even have an iron, okay? Look it comes with a steamer.
Yeah, so I don't know that I've really seen that very much else. Like,
Yeah, like the only other one is, well, you guys need to guess it. Sahara. It's the Sahara room review. Yeah. But anyway, they don't have an iron. But you know what? We're here at the Circa. I see you, Circa. You trying to move with the times. They don't iron anymore, right? But let me tell you, this thing to set up and try to get ready to steam, it was some work.
but it was quick.
But yeah.
Once it was put together, which was a little trial and error.
Once it was put together, it worked.
But can we just say, like, the steamer is not as effective?
It isn't.
It's more time consuming and like it just doesn't do as much.
Yeah. And let's face it, people don't come with their shirts like in hand on a hanger, do they?
Right.
Actually, in the comment below, do you show up like this or do you pack it in a suitcase and then iron your shirt when you get there? Anyway, that concludes Justin's steamy thoughts.
So, overall, what'd you think?
You know, this room, Circa, it was made for what you need from it. A place to sleep, a bathroom, you know, the decor, I know what they were going for. Mm-hmm. So that retro, you know, vintage, I should say, aesthetic. There's nothing that's above and beyond that is, I don't know, that stands out for me.
Yeah.
I would stay here again.
Really though, the reason to stay here, I mean, okay, so I know what they're going for too. They want to be sort of the more upscale option on Fremont Street.
Yes.
So you're really staying here mostly for Fremont Street.
Yes, you are.
So, I mean, that's great. That's fine.
Yeah.
But I think you're here mostly for that and not really for the room. The room isn't like the standout.
I would choose Circa over any other properties on the Fremont Street experience deal. But it's not something that's above and beyond. And I don't think that that's what they were going for. Mm-hmm. It doesn't seem like that's what they were going for.
Yeah.
It's definitely a luxury spot downtown. And I feel that anybody that's looking for somewhere that's nice to stay, that's the best place to stay downtown,
This is probably it.
This is it. This is what you're coming for. Yes.
Yeah.
How about you?
I'm right there with you, that it's more about the location than it is anything else. They're not going for luxury, but they are still trying to be the best option on Fremont Street, and they are. But yeah, I mean, the room isn't the star of this.
No. So if somebody has to use the restroom and you are in the shower, you can have a seat on the shower bench while the other person is finishing up on the toilet.
Good advice.
You can see stratosphere and the Strat. I called it the stratosphere.
It's 2010.
Thank you.
What the fuck was that?
Art.